pardon, Priestess, but you've been staring out across Ashenvale for hours.
I sense something dark stirring within the forest, Chandris. It feels as if it's heading this way.
The greenskins who killed Cenarius?
Perhaps. Perhaps something more.
Put your backs into it. Jaina and the Orc War Chief expect this base to be built swiftly.
Ah, we shouldn't even be here. Or siding with the orcs.
We're here to hunt the remaining demons, human. You're lucky our goals are the same.
All right, you men. Mind your business. Back to work.
So, these orcs and humans presume to run rampant through our lands? They will regret ever stepping foot into Ashenvale. We will establish a base and deal with these outlanders as they deserve. Ashrathoraman. By Elun. The Tree of Life is the heart of our Night Elf villages. Use the tree's ability to entangle the gold mine. After entangling the mine, send wisps in to extract gold. Immediately. Someone threatens the wilds? Wisps are friendly spirits that harvest gold and lumber for our villages. They also create the structures that allow us to train more warriors. The goddess calls.
I'm listening.
Someone threatens the wilds?
I'm listening.
I heed the voice of Elun.
Let's get going.
We are preparing to leave this place, Priestess. There is a terrible evil corrupting these lands, and I will not allow it to consume my people. Unfortunately, we cannot leave until the rest of our tribe has been accounted for.
Do not fear, Old One. I will find your tribesmen and lead them back to you.
Thank you, Priestess. We will reward you when you return.
Your building is complete.
I heed the voice of Elun. As the goddess wills. Ashrathoraman. So be it. Immediately. I heed the voice of Elun. By Elun. The moon wells are the source of our nourishment and strength. You can build additional moon wells to nourish more troops. Ashrathoraman. Immediately. The goddess calls.
To arms!
To train more troops, construct an ancient of war. As the goddess wills. Immediately.
Your building is complete.
Someone threatens the wilds? So be it.
Let's get going.
The goddess calls. I heed the voice of Elun. Ashrathoraman.
I await your
goddess
command.
calls.
Excellent.
Ashrathoraman. Someone threatens the wilds? I heed the voice of Elun.
In the name of Cenarius.
Your building is complete. Your building
Someone
is
threatens
complete.
the wilds? The goddess calls. as the goddess wills. By Elun. By Elun.
I stand ready.
Ashrathoraman. So be it. Immediately. I heed the voice of Elun.
Your building is complete.
I stand ready.
I heed the voice of Elun. The goddess calls. As the goddess wills.
I stand ready.
Hindul Refa. Ashrathoraman. Someone threatens the wild. So be it.
Waiting on you.
Someone threatens the wild. As the goddess wills. Immediately. By Elun. So be it. By Elun.
I stand ready.
Immediately. I heed the voice of Elun.
Anudora.
The goddess calls. Ashrathoraman. Ashrathoraman. As the goddess wills.
I stand ready.
Someone threatens the wilds.
I'm listening. I await your command.
Your move.
I'm listening.
I stand ready.
Let's get going.
The goddess calls.
Your building is complete.
I heed the voice of Elun.
Your building is
So
complete.
be it. Immediately.
I stand ready.
By Elun. As the goddess wills. By Elun. As the goddess wills.
I stand ready.
Someone threatens the wild. I heed the voice of Elun. Immediately. So be it.
I stand ready.
Ashrathoraman. The goddess calls.
Your building is complete. Your building is complete.
Ashrathoraman. As the goddess wills.
Our warriors
So be
have
it.
I
engaged the
stand
enemy.
ready. On your mark.
Someone threatens the wild.
Your move. I stand ready. Too easy.
I heed the voice of Elun. By Elun.
Your
Point the
building
way.
is complete.
I stand ready. Waiting on you. I'll give it a shot. Say no more. Fair enough. Done. Fair enough. All too easy. On your mark. On your mark. Your move. Done.
The goddess calls. The goddess calls. Someone
Our
threatens the wild.
warriors have engaged the enemy.
Immediately. As the goddess wills. Immediately.
I stand ready.
So be it. I heed the voice of Elun. By Elun. As the
I
goddess
stand
wills.
ready.
By Elun. So be it. Immediately. By Elun. Your building is complete. So be it. As the goddess
I
wills.
stand ready.
Immediately. By Elun. As the goddess wills. So be it.
Point the way. I stand ready. Say no more.
Ashrathoraman,
I'm listening.
the goddess calls. Immediately. As the goddess wills.
I stand ready.
By Elun. So be it. Immediately.
Waiting on you.
Ashrathoraman. By Elun.
On your way.
I await your command.
Someone threatens the wilds. I heed the voice of Elun.
Many thanks, priestess. Now we can evacuate the village. Please accept the aid of our champion. He will protect your life with his own.
Your offer is a generous one. May Elun light your path to safety. Ashrathoraman.
I stand ready. Waiting on you. Done.
Your building is
The
complete.
goddess calls.
I stand ready.
Someone threatens the wilds.
Your move.
As the goddess wills.
Let's get going.
Bandu Thoribas mortals, you will pay for defiling these lands.
Fair enough.
I await your command.
Point the way.
I heed the voice.
I'm
of
listening.
Elun.
I stand ready.
No problem.
I heed the voice of Elun.
Insufficient
Goddess
courage.
calls.
I stand ready.
Someone threatens the wilds.
I'm listening.
Ashrathoraman. I heed the voice of Elun. Someone threatens the wilds. The goddess calls. So be it.
Waiting on you. I stand ready.
name of Cenarius.
I heed the voice of Elun. Someone threatens the wilds. Ashrathoraman.
I stand ready.
Elune prison strength.
It's the undead! Defend yourselves!
Allies' town needs help.
They must have followed us from Lordaeron.
Come save us. The dead advance in waves.
We are no match for a force this fast. Quickly, my sisters, back to the trees.